What is network configuration management and why drift costs enterprises millions? One wrong command on one router can bring down your entire network. And the scariest part, it might have been there for months before you noticed. Network configuration management, or NCM, is the process of tracking, controlling, and auditing every configuration change made to your network devices, routers, switches, firewalls, and more. It's like version control for your network, so you always know what changed, when, who changed it, and how to roll it back. Config drift happens when devices gradually deviate from your approved baseline due to manual changes, software updates, or misconfigurations. Drift creates security vulnerabilities, compliance failures, and outages. And in large networks with hundreds of devices, it's nearly impossible to catch manually. A good NCM tool continuously compares device configs against your approved templates, flags deviations instantly, and can automatically restore compliant configurations. Motadata's network config and compliance module automates this entire process, catching drift the moment it happens and keeping your network audit ready at all times. Try it free at motadata.com.